Hi everyone, my name is Patricia Victime and I'm going to give you an outline of Classcraft. So, Classcraft is a free educational platform made for teachers that immerses students into a virtual online reality experience. It's a fun and engaging way to improve your traditional lessons. Students would create an avatar and be assigned to a team. Teachers can upload multimedia lessons as tasks for students to complete as they navigate through the game, collect points for their class team, and kudos and more. So this is a picture of what the landing page for Classcraft would look like once all of the lessons are uploaded. I teach English, so this is an example of an English class. So during inquiry, students are going to think about how does reading help them to understand who they are. Participants will immerse themselves into a virtual reality platform, such as Classcraft. They're going to discuss and determine a theme or central idea of a text that highlights social issues and investigate how it's conveyed through the details, as well as provide a summary of the text that's distinct from personal opinions or judgments. I'm also going to provide guiding questions for them to discuss throughout each task. They're going to discuss how can studying relationships in books help us to improve our relationships with others, who has more power in a relationship. I'm also going to upload mini lessons that focus on each teaching topic for each task, and students will go off and discuss what they have read with their groups. So, content perspective. How does the participants are going to think about how does my identity impact how I am treated in the world? So, again, immersing themselves into Classcraft and reading their books and discussing. They're going to write and investigate how the characters' beliefs, opinions, backgrounds, identities, and how bias can affect one's thoughts and actions. The guiding questions for these tasks would be: what is a social group? How do social groups impact characters? How can we consider a person's membership in a social group while recognizing them as individuals? Also, how have I been affected by the social group that I belong to? So I've also included an image of some of the team crests that are available on Classcraft for these participants to, decide on what crest do we want as a team. Classcraft is pretty cool because it is available for, I want to say, grades 4 and up. This is an example of the avatars that could be created and teams that could be created. There's warriors, healers, mages, yeah, those are the three. So, in order for students to be successful in Classcraft and book clubs, they're going to definitely need a book, whether it's digital or physical. They're going to need a digital device, such as a computer or a laptop. You're going to need access to the internet or wireless internet. And I will provide a digital notebook as well as support anyone who needs a book, whether digital or physical. As part of assessment, I'm going to provide rubrics beforehand for the social issues project, with a breakdown of the points and what I'm looking for. I'm also going to provide a notebook that participants will be collecting their thoughts in and their discussion notes, and as well as their thinking throughout the book. At the end of the unit, participants are going to be presented with 3 options for a project. So, a personal narrative, an opinion, editorial, or a poem. And they'll be able to choose how they want to present all of the things that they've discussed and learned in their book clubs. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you soon.